Okay, so this basically never happens. Two hurricanes coming this close to each other. When two hurricanes get super close, it creates a super rare phenomenon called the Fujiwhara effect, where they essentially start to orbit each other, attracted by their massive low pressure systems. And this time, hurricanes Imelda and Umberto got within 450 miles of each other, possibly the closest ever observed in the satellite era. And in this case, that dance actually saved the East Coast from a direct hit. Imelda was headed straight for land, but Umberto essentially caught Imelda and dragged it back out over the Atlantic. That doesn't mean the southeast coastline was completely spared, however. As of this recording, at least 6 homes have already collapsed in North Carolina's Outer Banks from the storm surge.